In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download Roblox on PC. So first, click on the search icon or the magnifying glass on your computer, and here we want to search for Store. As you can see, we have the application Microsoft Store. So simply click on here. You will be taken to the Microsoft Store in just a second. It is like the Android store and iOS store as well. So from here, where it says search apps, games, movies, we want to search for Roblox. And then you should see the game right here. So click on it. And then all you have to do if you want to install Roblox is click on Get. It will start downloading. It's going to take a little bit of time for this to download. Okay, so as you can see, now it's set installing and we can already play. So if we click on it, we get the client. So all you have to do is log in and then you will be able to play Roblox. So that is how you do it. I hope this was helpful. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.